What do you expect me to say?
Boom, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pandu from Tech Dude. So we are back with another video, and Amazon has finally listened us. So this is how they have packed my TWS. As you can see here, we are going to open this envelope. Today we are going to just unbox the underrated TWS under 2000 rupees. Here you can see bills and stuff, some other paperwork, and here you can see the product itself. Let me zoom it in a bit. Here you can see oppo enco buds, and it is completely looks like an Apple replica. I mean Apple TWS replica type of kind of thing. And here you can see behind you may see box content and stuff. As you can see, it is a wireless earphones, and it comes with charging case. On the MRP it costs around 4000 rupees, and these are the quick things. And what you can find in the box are one earbuds, one charging case, 3 pair of ear tips, one quick start guide, one safety guide. That's it. And let's remove this polythene. Oppo started to make products in such a premium way that I can feel the quality while peeling the plastic. As you can see here, you may find quick features of this. Oh my god, yeah. So I don't know how much I'm able to focus on it, but I will tell you, it comes with 24 hours battery life, Bluetooth 5.2, low latency gaming mode, open up auto connection, intelligent call reduction, bass driven HD sound. So that's it. And now let us see what's in the box. So let's go. After opening the box, here you can see the TWS in a small capsule. Oh god. And this is how it looks, the TWS. Let us keep this aside, and you may get extra ear tips in this. So, and here you may get some paperwork. As you can see, oppo enco paperwork. So who needs paperwork and stuff? Let's go. I guess there is no cable here. I feel like there is no USB cable. Yeah, there is no USB cable in here. I feel like there is no USB cable in this box contents. And here you can see the tagline, here the wonder. Let me show it to you. It is focusing me. Here the wonder is a quotation right here. So no charging cable in this box is provided, so let us keep this aside. And it's a simple and minimal unboxing video. Let us remove this thing. Oh god, this is how it pops out. Now I'm going to remove the plastic from this. I can see the quality of plastic. As you can see, this is how the plastic peels off. Let us keep it aside or throw it off. And here you can see, you will get an LED indicator right here, and you will get an type C. So, and if you open, you will get an earbuds. And let me pair it to my phone and see it. So as you can see, this is my phone. So I'm just opening Bluetooth. As you can see, left and right on these indications are there. And here you can see there is no button, so that you can see on the phone. It will automatically show you if you open the box. And I feel like this feature is most important to me, because again you have to long press. See, it directly pops out. So I'm just connecting it. So it's connecting. Let me show it to you. and here you can see it shows all the indications right here. So agree. Okay, it shows all the indications right here. So I'm gonna just plug in my ear and let me show you. I know my ear shape looks weird. I look like PK, no body shaming. And here you can see this is how I look in this TWS. And one more thing I forgot to say you, that there is a YouTube analytics chart. In that they showed that in that stats they told that only 1% of people are subscribed, more 99 people are just viewing my channel for the content and they are not subscribing my channel. Please do subscribe. If you subscribe my channel, growth may increase and I can make more exciting content for you guys. So let's lean back and enjoy some music, bro. And I'm gonna open Spotify and just chill back and relax. Let's go. And this is a third track. So here we go, guys, and as you can see, let me just take camera angle a bit, and there we go. And this is the open cobots I'm holding here. And talking about first the physical build. The physical build is pretty good. It comes with hard plastic, and the quality and the softness of the ear tips are pretty good. And talking about the software capabilities, it has an oppo enco dedicated enco app where you can adjust the audio, the way the audio outputs or the way the headphones give you an output. You can control the quality. They also claim that it supports Dolby Atoms. I feel like in this budget it is completely fake, because it's just a selling tactic, talking about it. And it supports 8 ms high gaming frequency or gaming mode, which has 8 ms delay. I want to tell something is that if you are into gaming, just get and buy the earphones instead of wireless, where you will find zero audio delay in wireless. And talking about the sound quality, the sound quality is pretty balanced and pretty equal. The major thing is that it has heavy bass. When you listen to an instrumental or vocal sound, sometimes you doesn't hear any instrument because of the bass it carries or it produces. It overshadows the instrument in the music you are listening to. If you are into EDMs, these headphones are worth it. Of if you only listen to EDMs, you are more EDM kind of guy or rock pop music, you can definitely get these TWS. But if your primary focus if your primary focus is melody songs, and if you want to hear the instruments crystal clearly, then it is not for you. And talking about the overall rating, the build quality is 4.5 out of 5, and the sound quality is around 3.8. And this is the conclusion of this video. And if you like this video, if you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment and subscribe my channel. Tech Dude signing off, your Tech Dude.